Hello viewers! Today I want to show you where you can find red yeast rice. Of course you need red yeast rice to brew red yeast rice wine, which you might have seen in some of my previous videos. And maybe you're curious about where you can buy red yeast rice. I want to show you today. So if you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe. It's not hard to find red yeast rice in an Asian supermarket. You just have to know what to look for, and what you're going to want to look for is the Chinese characters for red yeast rice, Hong Chu Mi. And there's several different ways to write it. Here are some of them. So that's what you're going to want to look for. It might not say red yeast rice on the package, so look for these characters and you'll be sure to be getting the right thing. Let's start off our search for red yeast rice in Philadelphia. Here we are at Vuong Plaza in Philadelphia. Here's the Vuong supermarket, and let's go inside and look for some red yeast rice. So I'm going to show you the aisle that I found this in. So it's in the rice and grain aisle in this supermarket. So go down here and okay, it's right there, red yeast rice. It is $1.99 for 400 grams. There it is, red yeast rice. Okay. Now I'm standing right by the bus in Flushing, in Queens, New York, at the Super HK. Let's go to the grain aisle again, and let's look. Okay, it's right down here at the bottom. They actually have two kinds. They have that red package, same as I saw in Philadelphia, and they have this green package. So there's two kinds, and it's $2.49 for 400 grams. So here we are at another supermarket in Flushing on Main Street. On the sidewalk in front of this supermarket, there was a woman selling homemade red yeast rice wine. Now, I didn't video her. I didn't want to get her in trouble, but actually I think it's a great thing that you could that she's selling it on the sidewalk. I think it was $10 a bottle, and she said it was for cooking. And she actually looked at my photo of my brewing red yeast rice wine in the jar, and she was happy to see it. I was happy to see some homemade rice wine as well. So that was fun. But that's the kind of thing you can find in Flushing. So let's go inside this supermarket, Chinese native specialty aisle, and that's what they have. Oh, they have it's the same brand, the red package brand of red yeast rice. This is 400 grams for $1.99. All right, so that's so that wasn't so hard to find. Well, let's keep looking. Now, in West Haven, Connecticut, there is a small Asian supermarket, and want to check this one out, see what this one has. And actually, they have red yeast rice as well. Here it is. It's a larger package, 900 grams for $4.99. And notice in English it just says red rice. Well, that's not really accurate. Red rice is probably something else that you can buy, but so keep your eye out for that. And in New Haven, at a similarly named but different, unrelated store, they have the same kind of package, 900 grams for $4.99. So let me know where you find red yeast rice, and let me know what you're brewing. Thank you for watching.